Yes, here's the search process. Open up CoStar, go to the top blue stripe there, click the leasing button. I'm going to show you everything you need to know, and I'll do these for you and send them to you as separate files. You've got lease there. You go over here to office, and you want available space, probably 1,000 to 1,500 square feet. That's your size. You want to move your map with your mouse, drag it, and then click the polygon over here on the left. And I thought Dennis B only wanted Leesburg, but I guess the partner found that other side on Lakeview. So we'll go down in here into Ashburn, cross over there, and create a polygon. Now, if you don't like that polygon when you do it, you go, oh, I wanted something wider or smaller. Go up here and the clear button. See that? You click clear and that line will all go away. You can start over. So now you've got that map, the footprint. Over in the top right, you've got 27 properties with 37 spaces. So you want to hit the filters tab, get rid of some of that. So you go to existing, first of all, click on property type just to make sure it's all office space. And then down here, you go to the asking rent, but you want to click this little thing over here where it says square feet per month and change that to total monthly. And his budget was 2,800. So let's go 2,500 to 3,000. And that one you sent me won't show up, but we'll do that just so I can show you this other thing. And you click done, and now you've got 5 properties with 7 spaces. But let's say this one's not a good fit. So we click that, and we hit up here, remove selected. You can do the opposite, remove unselected, whatever you like. He might like this one too because Jim Magner is in there, and he's also a pilot. I'm sure Dennis knows him. So the one you emailed me did not show up in the search because it's outside the rent range that we selected. So you go to the More button and you click Add Properties. So then you go in this little box and you type in 20135 Lakeview. Maybe it's one word. There we go. And you select that, add to results. And now that's added to your results set, even though it didn't fit the criteria that we set in there because of the rent rate. So then you want to do the report for Dennis B. Click the reports tab. And for the initial search, I like this one. Go down to list reports and go map report with multiple properties per page. That's going to show him where they're located, summary about each property. And for the initial search, that's plenty good. Click next. I always uncheck this. If it's checked, uncheck that. You don't want to send all the leasing company, or like what happened, his partner will call them directly, and then we have a mess. You can click page header and say prepared exclusively for Dennis B. Put that in there. And then you go down here to, you can also include the search criteria page if you want to share that with them. You can create a nice cover page. You put in here for their information, could be just you or Sean. I'm going to add Sean's phone number. Let's see, I didn't have it in there. 703-728-0387. Now we got that in there. Now you click generate report. Takes a little while, but it'll come up in a second here. And there's your nice map. Shows the ones down here in Ashburn, the ones in Leesburg, all the summary details. Got our nice logo on there for further information, all that. You click the little down arrow up here to download it to your computer, wherever you want to call it, for Dennis B. Move all our listings where I'm going to keep it, save it, and now I've got that in a nice PDF format. I go retrieve it, and I send it to Dennis B. Before you quit, hit the save button up here. See that? And put on there save current search. And we're going to call this search Dennis B. And we're going to share that with each other. We'll share that with you. I'm going to share that with Sean. So now you're all on the team. You can put some notes here if you want. And here's the key button. Always put enable alerts. So if a new one comes on the market tomorrow or this week, you're going to get an email, and so will Sean. Hit the save button, and there, now you've got a search. You've saved it. You printed your report. You're ready to go. Send that to Dennis B. I'll send this one to you with the other ones, and then you can always go back and watch this video on my YouTube channel if you can't remember all these steps. Okay, bye.